同学们好，今天和老师一起 together with 老师一起，我们学习汉字第5课第1部分。儿子 as an expression today, it refers to the son. But originally, people used these two characters separately. 儿 refers to the young child, and the 子 is about the baby as well. So we look at the Asian form of a child. This part is the head, the arm, and the body. Head, somehow at the top, it's opened. Leave it open. Somehow it refers to the softer parts of a baby on the top of the head. And if the bones still not joined yet, and it's the baby, it's a young child. And later, from this form, right, from the early form, later form, to be the traditional form, which is still used in Taiwan, and you can see the head, leave it open, and maybe the eyes, and one arm, and the body, and the legs. But today we write simplified version. Simplified version means forget the head, only write down the arm, and the body, and the leg. 儿子 same from the picture of a child and the body and the leg and the arms. Why the body and leg only has one piece? Because baby is wrapped up, they cannot walk. So you can see they have two arms, but for the body and the leg it's only one piece. Then today we write down the simplified character, still keep the original form, one head, and the head and the body and the leg and two arms are connected. So 儿 and 子. Now let's read this text together. 我们一起念汉字 read these characters. 小儿子 little son 叫立波 little son is called 立波。大儿子叫大为 bigger son, the older son, is called 大为。Next, we look at this character 见 from the word 再见 right? See. Originally, it's a picture of a man, so this part is the arm and body. Looks like kneeling down, but actually in ancient time it's about sitting down. And with the head part is no longer a head, it's an enlarged eye. You can see this is the eye shape and the pupil. The later form still the arm and the body and the leg, and this is an enlarged eye, a very big eye. So that means see. And later this form changed to be the traditional version, which is still used in Taiwan. And you can see the eye squared, and inside is the pupil and the arm and the body and the leg here. But today, from this version, we write simplified version, meaning we only keep the arm and the body and the leg. However, the big eye, we just use the frame. No need to write down the details inside anymore. So why the Asian people, they have an enlarged eye to show the meaning as see? We can look at some archaeology evidence. This picture, you can see the eye even pops out. And this picture, big eye. All these two, and actually there are many more discovered from Sanxingdui. And we call that Sanxingdui culture, Sanxingdui 文化 civilization in Sanxingdui. Then some people, it becomes famous because some people say this feature somehow from the alien who ever visited the earth. But 我不这么觉得 I don't think so. I think the Asian people, these somehow reflect Asian people's wishes to have a better version, because Asian people, they observe the nature with their bare eyes, and they would really want to see things clearly, for example, the stars in the sky. And somehow they want to have better vision. Then in their statue, they reflect these wishes with enlarged eyes. So that's why enlarged eyes meaning see, to see, to see something clearly. And in our word, we say 再见 means see again. Then when we want to say farewell to somebody, right, and we say see again, bye bye, see you again. Then see 见再 that means again. How do we draw a picture showing the meaning of again? Then here comes the picture. What is that? Actually, this is a fishing net. So it looks like this. Today, somewhere they still use this. This is a basket or net made from I think bamboo. And inside, right, the entrance, this is the entrance. It's bigger outside and getting smaller inside. So fishes or any other creature enter the net, hard to come out. And the people put this in the river or in the water to catch fishes. Somewhere they still use this traditional method. And now we look at this picture. This picture exactly as the net or the basket, that shape. And this is the bar, people can hold it. And this stroke presenting the meaning outside getting bigger, inside it's getting smaller. So when the fishes enter, it cannot come out. And today, and later change to be this form, but still keep the same shape and meaning it's a funnel shape. You end when enters, hard to come out. And then later change to be today's form. So this is again. But why a fishing net, fishing basket is again? Because you have to put it in, take it out, have a look, and put it in again and take it out again. So it's then present the meaning as again. So see again, again to see when people say goodbye, 再见. Next one, we look at this one. This is read as 青. 青 is a color. It's the greenish blue color. Chinese painting, 中国画 has another name which is 丹青. 丹 means 红色, the red color. 青 refers to the 青 color. We can look at picture of a 丹青. This is the picture of a Chinese brush painting. You can see red color and some brown. And this, it's not black, it's not blue. Especially this part, it's green, a little bit green, a little bit blue. And this is the color we mentioned as 青. 丹青, right? Chinese painting with these colors. So Chinese painting also called as 丹青. 青 what is that? 青, you can see in this character, it's a square and one dash in there. So this square means it's a hole on the ground and something in it, or it's a well. And above this well, this looks like the young sprout. Actually, it's same as the character of Sheng, the original picture of the character of Sheng, the young sprout. And then combine them together, meaning something or grow out, something comes out or grow out from the well on the ground, right? So later it still keeps the well and something grow out. And actually the above part looks quite alike the character of Sheng, birth, right? To be born, 学生的 or 生日的生. So what is the thing comes out from the ground, from the well? It's the color rock. The rock looks 青色, and so that's why people draw this, showing the meaning as 青. Then we want to borrow the sound of this qing together with this radical, meaning the component showing the meaning. This radical I hope you still remember from the character of yan, language, and in the combined character at the left hand side it denotes the meaning of language. So it's a language, and when we mention it, it sounds like the qing color. So this is 请, the polite language we say when we want to ask people to do something. So 请和我一起念. Please together with me read these characters. 请和我一起念汉字. 请坐. Please sit down. 请 something 汉语请 and it's about language as well. 请说汉语请. Next one, we look at this square. Just now when we look at this 请, there is a square and one dash in there, and I told you it's about the well on the ground. Now we highlight this part. We look at this part. It's here. So it's a square, a frame, and inside the frame one dot means it's something in the frame. Actually, it's from the picture of a traditional well. This is the well discovered in Hong Kong. You can see it's a squared shape protected with the rock. Actually, there are 10 layers of rock, right, as I read the news. And this is the picture of it. And later, people simply make the frame and meaning, the dots meaning something in there. But today's character, we just keep the frame. So this is the well on the ground. Either maybe it's water in there or rocks or mine, right? So how do we say well? We say it as 井. Today we still say this one. For example, water well, 水井. And this is the 井. This is a 水井from Song Dynasty, which discovered in Hong Kong. So somehow it's the evidence to show that civilization exists even as early as in Song Dynasty in Hong Kong area. And we want to use this 井 to present the sounds. Together with these radical, I hope you still remember. This is the radical presenting the meaning of move. Somehow it's actually before maybe I introduce it, but today I want to introduce it officially. This radical, one dot and something like a 3 together with a stroke at the bottom. This is the radical originally originated from the character 走 walk, and today as one component of the character it presents the meaning move, any kind of move up, move down, enter, come up, go up, right? So it's generally about the meaning move or to walk. And 井 inside the component 井 presenting the sounds like a 井. So it's a kind of movement. When we mention it, it sounds like a 井. Then combine them together, 井 inside the radical of move, and it's the character enter, 进, right? It's the movement because enter you have to move and it sounds like 进, so it's 进. And in our text we have this word 请进, please enter. 汉字 these characters, 请和我一起念. Right, please together with me. Let's read this. 进门，请进来，请进去。请问, right? Another one still. Please 问 ask. 问 means ask. 请问 means may I ask. 问呢 is another inside outside combined character, same as this one, inside outside. This one is still combined as inside outside. Outside 门 denotes the meaning a room or an enclosed room, a room with closed doors. And inside the 口 presenting the meaning about the mouth or say something to ask. So somehow if you can imagine, right, inside the doors, close the door, put somebody inside to ask, then it's to question or force to question. And put them together, 请问 Please, may I ask? And that's the characters for today, right? 今天的汉字，谢谢大家。